This is better than, you know what? I put them in whole because I'm lazy. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at the way I played up. Kia ora koutou katoa! I'm Anika Moa, otherwise known as Sexy Chicky Babe. And today we are going to make a classic roast chicken. Go-to roast chicken. My go-to roast chicken. Anyway, this is my roast chicken that I love to cook every Sunday. When I say I cook the roast chicken, I actually mean my wife cooks it while I sit and drink. We've got some lemons, we've got some herbs, we've got some, I don't know what that is, some salt, carrots, broccoli and potatoes. And let's get into it. I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. Step one, here we go. Chicken, herbs and spices. First thing you do, pat the little chicken down. Pat it down. We want it as dry as possible because we're going to make a little paste for it out of all our herbs and me pepper. Here we go. She's as dry as she can come. Here we go. Right, pop it in a lemon. Wee, woo! And grab one lemon cut in half, and there's a little thing you see right there's a little orifice. You just shove the lemon in the orifice and you just get it in there. Right, get that chook out the way. Let's have a little goosey gander at this. Right, I'm going to add some herbs, or in America they say herbs too. So, garlic powder, a spot of salt, I'd say about 15 to 25 turns. A little bit of pepper, lots of pepper there. There we go. Oh, this is really hard on your wrist, so make sure you warm up that. Put some olive oil in that, mix it up. Oh, look, it's looking great so far. Look at that. Come closer. Come close to me. Don't bite much. Right, slip, slop, slap. Let's get some slopping and slapping on this chicky chocky. Get it all over. Give it a good massage. Luckily, last year I went to Thailand and I did a massage course, didn't I? In Thailand. And here we go. Massaging this little biggie. It's a chicken. All right. The lemons are falling out of its orifice. Shove them back up there. Oh, we can do it gently. I don't know. I like it rough. The chicken. Yeah, okay. Cool. We're done there. Now, you've already preheated the oven to 180 degrees and it should be very ready to go. And we're just going to shove this chicken in here for, I don't know how long, hour and a half. Good girl, boy. Well, good luck. We want to peel these potatoes and parboil them in boiling water so they're half cooked before you put them in with the chicken, because that will get your light fluffy on the inside, crunchy on the outside. Make sure to use a lot of olive oil and salt and pepper and just make it all mash and get it right in there. Get right in the potatoes, yeah. I don't know why I did that or said that. From now, I'm going to peel them. And from the magics of TV, these will all be peeled like so. Yeah, so I'm going to parboil these and I'm going to, add them maybe when the chicken's been cooking for about half an hour. And we cook them for up to an hour depending on how strong or not strong your oven is. Great, thank you so much for watching. Okay, putting that on the stove. So I have the potatoes and I have parboiled them, which means half boiled them. I'm just going to put some salt and pepper, in the bowl because it's actually easier to fluff them up. So here we go, a little bit of pepper, and a lot of olive oil. Yay! I use extra virgin olive oil just because it's lighter, leaner, and it just, I don't know why, because everyone else does it. Right, pop them on here. Look at that. Beautiful. And I'm going to shove them in the oven for up to an hour. Right, okay, we are going to prepare and cook our greens and oranges. So me and the crew were having a little discussion about this, and are you a peeler of carrots or do you just put them in whole? Well, I put them in whole because I'm lazy. So you can do either way, but what I'm going to do is chop the ends off, chop them off like that. Chop them off. If you've got a bit of anger or stress or frustration to get out, just chop them off like that. And what we want to do is we want to put the carrots in for 5 to 10 minutes before the broccoli, because the broccoli you just put it in for a minute and then it's done. Don't worry about it. Bob's your uncle. Remember? Are you listening? Throw those in there like so. And remember, if you're a little child and you want to make a roast for your mum and dad, or mum and dad and man, you need to have adult supervision. So it can't be a surprise, can it? Ouch! I just poked myself. Oh, Lordy, wish I could say something about that little faux pas. Here we go, right there, in there like that. Okay, now I'm going to fill that up with whey. That means water. Oh. And let's shove that on the element. Just boil that for 5 to 10 minutes, and then right at the end, shove these in there and you're away. It's all done, easy breezy. I'm going to go back, I'm going to rewrite the ending of my autobiography, okay? So, come on, let's put them on the thingy. Done. Choose the nicest, crunchiest one. Oh. So I have strained these vegetables. They are looking perfect. My beautiful carrots that have the skin on, and my just 1 minute blanched broccoli looking as fresh as daisies, but not really. Daisies are. Anyway, we've got our chicken quite full there, look at that. And I'm going to add a few more potatoes to this little soiree of deliciousness. The kids should all be hungry by now, so oh, it's gorgeous. Look at the way I played up. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, look at my beautiful Sunday chicken roast. It's beautiful and amazing, and I'm stoked. And what you need to do is right at the end, just get your favourite gravy. This is something I made earlier. I just made earlier, heated it up, and I'm going to pour on top of my favourite things, which are mostly the potatoes. And voila! Roast chicken, as easy as that, seriously. This is better than, you know what? I've got sticks. I'm eating too fast. I don't get to eat much, although it looks like I eat a lot. Make this your go-to.